In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile a bank statement in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, you'll find these steps clear and easy to follow. Reconciling your bank statements regularly is vital for ensuring your financial records are accurate and for spotting any discrepancies early on. So, let's dive in and make sure your books are in great shape. First things first, you'll need to sign in. Once you've successfully logged in, you're ready to start the reconciliation process. Head over to the Settings menu, which you can access by clicking on the gear icon typically located in the upper right corner of your dashboard. From there, you'll want to find and click on the Reconcile option. This will bring you right to the heart of your reconciliation activities, where we can focus on aligning your QuickBooks records with your actual financial statements. Now you need to choose the account you wish to reconcile. Let's assume today you're working on reconciling your business credit card. Make sure to select the correct account from the list to ensure you're adjusting the right records. It's crucial to regularly reconcile all active accounts to help maintain accurate and up-to-date bookkeeping. After selecting the account, you should see fields where you can enter your statement ending balance and statement ending date. These figures should match exactly with what's on your bank statement. Any discrepancies here will definitely throw off your entire reconciliation process, so it's a good idea to check the figures twice before proceeding. Once that's sorted, you'll start matching and clearing each transaction. This involves comparing the transactions listed in QuickBooks to those on your bank statement. You'll need to mark each transaction that matches and take note of any differences you find. It's essential to continue this matching and clearing process. You'll know your work is complete when the difference field shows 0, which indicates everything is in alignment. If there's a discrepancy, it might be necessary to double-check for any missing or incorrectly entered transactions. Finally, when everything looks correct and the difference is 0, you're ready to start reconciling. Go ahead and click on the Start Reconciling button, and QuickBooks will finalize the process for you. While this might seem a bit tedious at first, keeping your accounts updated through regular reconciliation will save you ample time in the long run by minimizing errors and simplifying financial tracking. And there you have it. You've successfully reconciled a bank statement in QuickBooks Online. Remember, the key to efficient bookkeeping is consistency. Make this process part of your regular financial routine to ensure you always have an accurate picture of your business's financial health. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.